السلام ورحمة الله شباب وصبايا. اليوم هنبلش بفكرة جديدة لدرس الكيميكال رياكشن بتحكي عن الفوليوم اوف جاز. لازم ننتبه هذا القاعدة أو هذا البارت بس إلى علاقة بالجازز، ما إلى علاقة لا بالسوليد ولا بالليكويد. انتبهوا لهي الشغلة. To calculate the volume of a gaseous compound, we can follow the following mathematical relation, which is V equal N times Vn. Or we can rearrange the relation into N equal V over Vm. We can use one of these relations. The original relation is N equal V over Vm. By arrangement, this relation we can obtain V equal N times Vm. This relation is only for gaseous compound, and not for solid. What is meant by V? V is the volume of the gas, and the unit of the volume must be in liter. In some exercises, the volume may be given unit of volume in milliliter or centimeter cube. To convert milliliter or centimeter cube, it's convert into liter divided by 1000. And some exercises maybe the volume is given in meter cube. To change meter cube into liter, we multiply by 1000. Number of mole we have taken in previous chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. We have two methods to calculate the mole quantity and number of mole. Let's recall them. Number of mole, it is the mass over molar mass, or number of mole equal N over N in Avogadro's number. So till now we have three expressions for mole quantity. The first one is number of mole mass over molar mass. The second one is N equal N over Na, and in this part the number of mole is N equal V over Vm. So we have till now in chemistry three relations to calculate the mole quantity. What is meant by Vm? Vm is the molar volume. Molar volume, the value of the molar volume is a constant number. It must be given in the exercises. If the exercise mention the word STP condition or standard temperature and pressure condition, if this word is mentioned in this exercise, this means the value of Vm is 22.4 liter per mole. In some exercises we give you the value of molar volume is 24. According to the exercise, we either use 24 liter per mole and 22.4 per liter. It must be given or mentioned in the exercise. Let us practice some examples about calculation of volume. The first example is calculate the volume of 0.2 mole of oxygen gas at STP condition. Here we mention STP condition. This means we must use the Vm 22.4 liter per mole. We have number of mole N and we have Vm. To calculate V, the relation is equal N V over N. If we rearrange it, V equal N times Vm. So to calculate the volume of oxygen gas, N equal N V equal N times Vm. We substitute the value we have in N here, number of mole 0.2 with Vm is given. We substitute and we make a calculation, or we calculate the volume is 4.4 liter. Another example, let's see it. Calculate the volume. We have nitrogen gas of molecular formula N2. The mass of nitrogen gas is 7 gram, and we mentioned here STP condition as we mentioned before, and the Vm must be given, or it is 22.4. In order to calculate the volume, so we can use the relation V equal N times Vm. Molar volume is given. We must have the value of N. How to calculate the mole quantity of nitrogen? If we have the mass, what is the expression used to calculate the mole quantity here? Since the mass is given, since the molar mass is also given for nitrogen, so we can calculate the number of moles from the mass over molar mass, and we can use the following relation. That's us n equal to calculate the number of moles, n equal mass over molar mass, and mass is given, and we use the molar mass of nitrogen. After we calculating the number of moles of nitrogen, we can calculate the volume from the relation equal n equal V over Vm. We can calculate it, or we solve it by two steps. First, by calculating the mole quantity from mass over molar mass, and then we substitute in this relation, or we can calculate it in one step by using the following ratio. نستعمل هدول التنتين, and we substitute the value of each term. The mass is given 70 gram, Vm is 22.4 liter, and the molar mass of nitrogen, we substitute the molar mass of nitrogen of N2, and not for N. N is equal to 14, and the coefficient of nitrogen is 2, so 14 times 2, we have here 2. Molar mass of nitrogen 14 times 2. By calculation, the volume is 5.6 liter. Another example, we have the following reaction between calcium carbide CaC mile oxygen gas produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The given is, we have here the mass of calcium carbide, the reactant, and is completely reacted with oxygen gas. We have also the molar masses needed, molar mass of calcium, molar mass of carbon, and we have Vm. Here in this exercise or this example, I give you that the molar volume is 24 liter per mole. Part 1, calculate the mole quantity of calcium carbide. Second part, the volume of oxygen gas, and the third part, determine the volume of carbon dioxide. Okay, let's see the solution. Then here we have the chemical equation. I write below it the given. We have the mass of calcium carbide. We have here the molar masses of calcium and carbon, and we have the Vm. The following is the given in this example. The first part, I asked about the mole quantity of calcium carbide. How to calculate the mole quantity of calcium carbide? Okay, we have the mass and we have the molar mass, so the relation is equal n over molar mass, and mass is given. Then we want to calculate the molar mass of calcium carbide. Calcium carbide has the following formula: CaC. We have calcium 40 and we have carbon 12. So if we calculate the molar mass, it is 52 gram. We substitute in the expression, we obtain the mole quantity of calcium carbide. بالشكل طلعنا number of mole of calcium carbide. The second part, I asked about the volume of oxygen gas. Okay, in order to calculate the volume of oxygen gas, what is the expression used? Mass over molar mass, or n equal V over Vm. Okay, to calculate the volume, we use the following relation: n times Vm. Then Vm is given. How to calculate the number of mole of oxygen? Does we have a given for oxygen gas in the example? No, we don't have any given for any given for oxygen gas. So how to calculate the oxygen gas? Okay, if we don't have any given, we use this stoichiometric ratio. Resolve the part. We take the stoichiometric ratio between oxygen gas and calcium carbide. As we know, these value of these numbers 2 and 3 are the coefficient of each reactant in the equation. We have a coefficient of calcium carbide 2 and coefficient of oxygen is 3 in the chemical equation. We substitute the value of calcium carbide 0.1 mole So we obtained here we use this relation to calculate the volume of the number of mole of oxygen gas, and then since we obtained the value of oxygen gas as mole quantity 0.15, then we can use the relation V equal N times Vm. We substitute it, and the value of volume of oxygen gas is 0.36 liter. The third part is about calculate the volume of carbon dioxide. So similar to the part 2, we have nothing about carbon dioxide, no mass, no mole. How to calculate the mole quantity of carbon dioxide? So by using stoichiometric ratio, we eliminate the coefficient 2 here. So mole quantities are equal. So we have 0.1 mole of carbon dioxide. By substituting in this relation, we obtain the volume of carbon dioxide. This is exercise you have to be solved by yourself. It is similar to the previous solved exercise that explained previously. You have a chemical equation. We have mass of solid sulfur. We have the Vm. We have and molar mass. I wish you to write this example and solve it by yourself. Any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and good luck.